flags unfurled. They're coming to America. Got a dream to take them there. They're coming to America. Got a dream they come to share. They're coming to America. They're coming to America. They're coming to America. They're coming to America.
From the left, Captain Jones. From the right, Major Williams, inbound for Show Center at a closing speed of nearly 1,000 miles per hour, before meeting Bill Banks sharply, narrowly avoiding each other for the opposing knife-edged pass. Now approaching ahead and from the left, the Thunderbirds are in trail formation with each wingman flying just a few feet from the aircraft in front of him. On command, watch as they smoothly transition back to the Thunderbird Diamond Formation.
Real good, baby, 'cause you'll be gone for a while. Tell me how you feel, what's your fantasy? I see it's on the beach down in Mexico. You can put your feet up, be my senorita. You got the rush, just be in the highlights, soaking up the sunlight. Anything you want is yours. I have you living life like you should. Just say you never had it so good. You never had it so good.
Our two solo pilots have positioned themselves on opposite ends of the runway to cross at Show Center. A difficult maneuver made even more challenging since Thunderbird 5 is approaching upside down in inverted flight.
Go.